If somebody approached me before, the person been Orthodox for quite some time, and sometimes he's feeling weak on the faith. So I told the person, read this Gospel of the Samaritan woman. And she was surprised. Why? I know the Gospel. I said, no. Because the person who have read this Gospel will never lose hope. This Gospel Samaritan woman is the Gospel written in the language of hope. For two things, which I would like you to remember. The first thing, there is this God. There is this God who thirsts for our return to Him. And that is the only God that we need to know. The God who wants us to be one with Him. The other pagan gods, what they want is to get favors from us. But this God is totally different. That's why the very profound word in the gospel today, when the Lord said, "Woman, give me a drink." Can you imagine the profoundness of this? He who is the fountain of life, as shown in the cross, in His side flowing waters that gives life to everyone. On His side flowed the water which used in your baptism that made you Orthodox. Can you imagine this fountain of life, the giver of life, is asking water to someone who has committed the worst sins in the entire world. And what are those worst sins? Sins of idolatry and sins of adultery. The sin of the body and the sin of the soul. Can you imagine the Lord asking something to someone whom we can call in our time today the worst of all? This is how much this God is trying to reach to us, to impart to us His very self, His very own divinity. That's why when some people will feel hopeless, I will tell them, there is this God who is always trying to seek you. And this God meets us in our individual wells. God deals with us individually. And when you look at the gospel, how it unfolds, the Lord is very reconciliatory towards the woman. He is reproaching her, but in a very reconciliatory manner. And that is the secret of Orthodox spiritual life.